This is a SnapEd New York video presentation.
Hello, my name is Liz and I'm a nutrition educator with SnapEd New York. Today I'll be demonstrating how to make a quick and easy strawberry salsa recipe. This tasty recipe is great for summer get-togethers since it's easy to make and doesn't require the use of any heating appliances. This recipe makes it easy to follow a healthy eating pattern since it includes 3 out of the 5 My Plate food groups: fruits, vegetables, and grains. I love making this recipe during the summer months because strawberries are in season and they're so tasty. The ingredients needed to make our strawberry salsa include 1.5 cups of fresh strawberries chopped very small, half of a fresh jalapeno pepper minced, 1/4 cup of fresh minced onion, 2 tablespoons of fresh finely chopped cilantro, and 1.5 teaspoons of lime juice. Before I start preparing to make any recipe, I always make sure to wash my hands under warm water with soap for at least 20 seconds. I recommend wiping down your countertops, making sure that your area is nice and clean. Rinse all of the produce under cold water. This helps rid the produce of dirt and bacteria that could make you sick if unrinsed. Now that we have gathered all of our utensils, it's time to start assembling our recipe. Our first step after our produce has been rinsed is to start chopping the strawberries and the cilantro. We want to cut our strawberries using the claw grip and a paring knife. The claw grip helps protect our fingers from any injuries, and the paring knife is small and sharp enough to slice through these strawberries very easily. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and fiber. They help your body stay healthy by giving it what it needs to help heal cuts and scrapes, as well as keep your belly happy with lots of fiber. If you do not have strawberries, this salsa also tastes great with mangoes or peaches. You can also substitute fresh cilantro with 1 teaspoon of dried cilantro, which will be in your grocery store's spice aisle. Cilantro has higher levels of vitamins, such as vitamins A, K, and E. Choose whatever type of onion you prefer. I will be using a red onion, which has a mild taste. Other types of onions that would complement this recipe would be green onion or a sweet onion. Onions have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. They may also lower blood sugar levels, improve bone health, and reduce the risk of several types of cancers. For those who do not enjoy spicy foods, you can also substitute the jalapeno pepper for a subtler tasting red, yellow, or orange bell pepper. Removing the seeds from jalapenos can help tame the heat, as they are hotter than the flesh of the actual pepper. Jalapenos are just one of the many types of chili peppers that are often used as an accent or garnish to add heat to any dish. Now that all of the ingredients are prepared, it's time to combine them. First, we'll add in the strawberries. Next, the red onion, the cilantro, the jalapenos, and the lime juice. Now, you can go ahead and stir those ingredients together. If there are any leftovers, be sure to refrigerate them within 2 hours and keep in mind that the recipe will stay fresh in the fridge for about 3 days. Lastly, after 30 minutes of refrigeration, our strawberry salsa is ready to eat. This salsa would be great topped over fish tacos or in a cold deli wrap. I'm going to try it with some tortilla chips. That's delish. The ingredients for the strawberry salsa are relatively inexpensive all year round and a great summer dish to share with a crowd. Overall, I'd pay about $5.42, excluding the cost of oils and seasonings, which equates to an average cost of about 34 cents per serving. Or, if you have leftover strawberries, try reusing them in other SnapEd recipes such as fruit smoothie or strawberry cucumber salad. These recipes and others can be found at www.snapednewyork.org. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thanks for watching!
It starts with just one small change, and we're here to help. Thank you for joining us today. We know the healthy choice isn't always the easiest choice, but small changes can make a big difference. Start today by getting involved with SNAP Ed New York. The program is free for all those who qualify or receive SNAP benefits. We want to help you save time, save money, and eat healthy. Learn how SNAP Ed can make a difference in your life. For more information and to find your local program, visit snapedny.org. This material was funded by USDA's Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. SNAP. This institution is an equal opportunity provider.